5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's say light the world. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Light the world! Isa pa! Light the world! And last, light the world! Okay, so, ang gagawin po natin ngayon, papakita po namin sa inyo, at Tagalog na, kung paano gagawin po natin. Okay, so here may yung mga may video or anything like that. So para po siyang vending machine sa mga first time na hindi po nakita ng atong ganitong machine. It's a giving machine. So ang gagawin po nila is, o gagawin po ninyo is magpipit kayo o pipiliin niyo kung anong gusto niyong i-donate. So halimbawa dito, meron pong college tuition, meron din po school fees, meron din for treatments, crutches, medicine po. So ang gagawin nyo, kung anong gusto nyo, remember, different prices po ito, 50 pesos hanggang 1,000. Pindot nyo lang po yan, and then after that, ilalagay nyo yung cash nyo. So yung cash niyan, pwedeng card, pwedeng GCash, o pwedeng cash mismo. Okay, so ngayon, si Brother Wong will just put his 500 pesos in, and he is picked for the Home of Luzon Orphans. And then, magdadrop po yung ating card o representative na to.
Okay. Hello.
We'll take a quick picture. So this is a product that is for Home of the Luzon Orphanage. Okay, and ang gagawin niya, last but not the least, is yung card niya, ipapasok niya po dito sa gitna, which is the actual box, the giving box. And there it is. Tapos na.
Which one is the heroes of the foundation?